Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 1, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, third row we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Fourth row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, second grade. Column C we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 1. 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column E, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are, we have 2 and 7, so 2 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row. Then column B we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, then column E, column G we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 4th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. And then 9 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, and second row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. We can confirm 6 also here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column E we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column E, only one numbers are remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 3rd row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, and 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.